Welcome to our complete guide on setting up a U.S. bank account. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know in 2025. First, let's talk about eligibility requirements. You'll need to meet a few basic criteria to qualify for a bank account. Choosing the right bank is crucial. Consider factors like fees, services, and location when selecting your bank. Next, gather the necessary documents. You'll typically need identification, social security number, and proof of address. Understanding fees and features is essential. Be sure to research the monthly fees, ATM access, and other account benefits. Now, let's dive into the application process. We'll break it down step by step to make it as easy as possible. After opening your account, you'll want to set up online banking. Here's how you can register and utilize digital banking features. Funding your account can be done in several ways. Let's explore your options for making that first deposit. Effective account management is vital. Here are some tips for keeping track of your finances effectively. Congratulations! You're now equipped to take the next step in managing your finances. Good luck with your new bank account.